What's up guys, in this short tutorial I'm going to show you how to add caption in Filmora 15. So firstly, what we want to do is to add our video to the timeline. So you're going to click on it and drag it to the timeline. As you can see, this video has audio, so what we want to do to add auto caption is to select it, then we're going to right click on it and we're going to click to speech to text. Also, you have another way by clicking on here after you selected your video, and you're also going to click on speech to text. Here at AI caption, we're going to go to dynamic caption, then we're going to click on this button. And now we have to wait for it to process. As you can see, our auto caption have been added to the timeline. So what we can do now with the caption is to select them. Then we're going to go to text, and here you can replace any caption that you want. So for example, this one. So if the auto caption made a mistake, you can change it. Also, you can personalize the text by going into the right corner and you're going to click on template. Here you have a lot of templates that you can choose from. So for example, let's add this template. You're going to click on it, then you're going to click on apply to all. You're going to click on apply again. So the text will apply to every caption in the timeline. As you can see, the template is now for our caption. So as simple as this, you can add auto caption on Filmora 15. So guys, thanks for watching and don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to the channel.